mag-isa just like you taught me.
Tao po, delivery. Ay, magkano po, kuya? Yeah. Yes, I do. 150 pesos po. Ay, wait, kukuha lang ako ng pambayad, baby.
A few moments later.
Ito po, keep the change. Ma'am, parang 5,000 na po to eh. Keep the change or keep me? Ay, sige po. Anong sige? I'll keep the change. And you?
Arambirang lamang.
Oh, malapit na, B.
Nahulog yung cellphone ko mula sa 4th floor. Pero hindi nasira. Kasi naka-airplane mode.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life.